Look into my eyes. Smile. Yes, exactly. Hello, my friend. How to connect with your audience. 3 golden rules to have this connection when you're doing your speech, your presentation. The first one is to keep eye contact with at least one person from your audience. It can be with one person. Look at this person in the eye. Smile to this person. When you do this with one person, you connect with the rest of the group. Look into my eyes. Smile. Yes, exactly. This is the first rule. To connect, to look into people's eyes and smile. Okay? Great speakers find ways to connect with their audience in little time. And they do it through simple actions like walking around the stage with security, making eye contact, and smile. The second golden rule to connect with people is to show your vulnerability. We all have our vulnerabilities. Accidents happen. Something from your childhood goes back to you. You can get out of your way, but believe it. If I could find the way back to everything, anyone can do it under any circumstance. And to the older ones who lived hard times and maybe have lost everything and restarted from zero, as happened to me, some of these things will sound very familiar. There is recovery, there is redemption, there is resurrection. And the third rule, make your audience smile. When you laugh with someone, both feel that they are on the same side. And this is a fantastic tool to establish a connection. Audiences that laugh start to like the speaker. And when people like someone else, they take it seriously. They take what is being said seriously. The laugh puts down the defense, and suddenly you have the chance to communicate effectively with your audience. Dale Carnegie says, 188. Smile. Appear before your audience with an attitude that says that you were glad to be there. If you were interested in your audience, there is every likelihood that your audience will be interested in you. From these 3 rules, which one could you improve for your speech? Comment here. Thank you very much. I am Felipe Gibi. See you next class. Storytelling. How to tell a nice story. This is a moment of your speech when you share a story